Hi everyone, my name is Joanna Velez, and for the subject Biopedagogical Characteristics of Education, I was asked to answer some questions due to my absence in the web conference. Alright, this movie was Beyond the Blackboard, and the first question we had was, in your opinion as a pedagogical mediator, what is the most interesting thing about the movie? Well, for me, the most interesting thing is the transformation journey this girl, Stacy Beth, the protagonist, had, and the impact on the lives of these homeless children. Because this movie illustrates how compassionate, dedicated, and innovative this teacher was. She found different methods to overcome the challenges posed by these socio-economical disparities. Number two, the second question says, taking into account the events of the film, what are the contributions of mediation and biopedagogy to the teaching function? Well, talking about mediation, the first thing is that she was building relationships. She was building strong, trusting relationships with her students, and not only with her students, also with her students' families. She was understanding their individual needs, and she was creating a supportive learning environment. She was also creating conflict resolutions. For example, she mediates conflicts and fosters a sense of community within her classroom. And this helps her students feel safe and respected. She also facilitated dialogue. She encouraged open communication. She helped her students express themselves and engage more deeply in their learning. Now, talking about biopedagogic um, biopedagogy, we could say that there is a holistic approach because she goes beyond the academic instruction. She addresses the emotional, social, and physical needs of her students. Um, on the other hand, we also have environmental awareness. And she highlights the importance of understand the student's background and the environments because this influences their learning experiences. And finally, in the biopedagogy, we can also say that there was an adaptive method because this teacher adapts her teaching methods to suit the different needs of her students, illustrating the flexibility required in biopedagogy. All right. Finally, number three, the third question says, what have been the contributions of this course to your pedagogical mission? Answer this question through a drawing, an inspiring phrase, or any form of artistic expression. Well, I'm not good at drawing, so instead of this, I want to share a phrase that says, teaching is not just about imparting knowledge. It's about nurturing souls, inspiring dreams, and believing in the potential of every child. And this is not only for our children. We also receive what we give. It's also reciprocate. So we will also receive this. Thank you so much. This was Joanna Velez for Biopedagogy. Thank you so much.